Hey everyone, this is Mark with Apple Tech 128, and in this video we're going to be checking out a fast wireless charger from Amysen. Now the iPhone features wireless charging. It's something that's becoming a lot more mainstream, and more companies are getting in on the wireless charging game. While the iPhone doesn't particularly charge super fast wirelessly, other Android phones do, and with this awesome wireless charger, not only can you max out the speeds of the iPhone, but most Android devices as well. In order to get those max charging speeds, you will need a quick charge 2.0 or 3.0 power adapter, which is not included in the box. Speaking of the box, inside we'll find the charger along with a micro USB cable and some instructions. Taking a quick look at the device, we have a pretty symmetrical design with a rubber ring on both the top and bottom. The rubber rings are actually a really nice design feature. It'll make sure your charger doesn't slide around and also ensures that your device stays on and doesn't get scratched. On the back, we have our micro USB port as well as some pretty serious ventilation on the bottom. One thing I notice a lot with wireless chargers is that they make a lot of hissing noises when active. The good news is that this one runs almost completely silent. I can't hear any hiss, and the device stays pretty cool even after several hours of charging. I previously used a really small, cheap wireless charger that literally took forever to charge my iPhone. Now I was able to get about 20% charge in around 20 minutes. Not the best, but still pretty good for a wireless charger. When you drop your phone down on the charger, it starts right away, and a blue light on the front of the device tells you when it's active. The device is actually pretty large, so there is a fairly large area that you can work with, and your placement doesn't have to be perfect. My only complaint about this device is that it gets really greasy and dirty super easily. From just taking it out of the box and looking at it, there are already a ton of fingerprints and it looks pretty bad. It's also kind of hard to clean, and it's not a major issue, but just something to keep in mind. But for the most part, it should just be sitting on a table, not being moved around a lot. I didn't get a chance to test out the fast charging capabilities of other devices, but I'm sure they would indeed charge at the promised speeds. It's unfortunate that you need to use a quick charge power brick because I tend to plug my wireless charger into a USB hub. But if you can find a hub that has enough power output, then it should work. Well, that's all for this review on a super fast wireless charger. I'm a really big fan of this, and if you're interested in checking it out, I'll leave a link to it down in the description below. If you have any comments or questions, be sure to leave them in the comment section. And if you like this video, leave a like and hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. This is Mark with Apple Tech 128, and I'll see you in the next one.